Hi, welcome to Edge Global Technology Solutions workflow tutorials. Today we will be discussing Autodesk Field Layout. The final step in the field layout workflow is managing the previously placed points, cross-checking and comparing the points taken in the field versus the points coordinated in the model, and reporting on those differences. We begin this process by importing the points that were taken in the field and compare them to the points that we have in the 3D model already. This is done by navigating to the Autodesk Point Layout tab and selecting the Import Points tool. Once the Import Points tool is selected, we simply choose the file from the robotic total station, verify all the points are selected, select our import order, our import units, our role of these points, and then most important, we need to make sure that we select the correct coordinate system. This coordinate system will be the same that we created in the first video. Once we have all of our correct information filled out, we can then click OK. This will bring up a dialog box letting us know that some points have moved. We will then have the option to import these points as new points, skip these points, or move the model points with the same name to this new location. Let's choose to import them as new points for now. We will then be asked what type of points these are, and then they will load in. Now that the points from out in the field are in the model, we will need to do a visual check to see where, if any, points have moved. As we move around, we can see that the points by the wall cutouts are different. This shows that out in the field, whoever has laid out for the wall cutouts has placed them too low. This will need to be addressed as soon as possible. Another way to coordinate the differences in the field points versus the model points is to run a report comparing the two sets. This can be done by navigating to the Autodesk Point Layout tab and selecting the Compare Points tool. In the Compare Points tool, we can then select the set of points we want to compare to the model points. We will then want to set our coordinate system to the correct UCS which we created. We then select our import order, our import units, and what we would like to include in the compare report. Before selecting OK, we must make sure we save this report as it does not open automatically. Once the report has been saved, we can click OK and navigate to opening the report. The report is saved into a text file which can be imported into other programs. In the report, you can see that it shows the point number and in which direction the change happened. This report can prove beneficial when dealing with hundreds of points to compare and knowing exactly which ones have changed and by how much. This concludes part 3 of the field layout workflow. Make sure to check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe.